Ceramic coatings versus wax. What's the difference? Ceramic coatings are a liquid glass barrier that form a permanent bond with your paint, creating a transparent layer of protection. Unlike wax, ceramic coatings creates a robust defense against things that really matter, like UV damage, bug splatter, tree sap, oxidation, bird droppings, and other environmental impacts. They also resist heat and car wash detergents and offer a super high gloss shine that doesn't just fade away like wax does. The cool thing is ceramic coatings makes water bead off super easily. That makes it a very low maintenance solution, so your car always looks its best. Now on the other hand, wax is often made from natural carnaubas or synthetic polymers. Wax was the gold standard for protecting automotive paint for over 50 years because it's relatively inexpensive, it does add great depth of shine, and it does offer a decent protection against dirt and moisture, but you likely have to reapply every 1 to 2 months to maintain its effect. On the other hand, ceramic coatings can last up to 7 years or even a lifetime with proper maintenance. In the end, it really comes down to your priorities and your budget. So, if you're looking for durability and minimal maintenance, ceramic coatings is the way to go. If you're looking for a more budget-friendly option that requires reapplication, wax might be your choice. I'm Adam with Ceramic Pro. If you have any other questions or comments, drop them below.